Hi guys, so this is their new Better Than Roses Melt Cosmetics collection that came out. It came out perfect just before Valentine's Day. As you saw, I did get a new magnetic pan. This is how it comes in with those magnetic like cardboard boxes. So we have two new blush lights, which are the Pink Moon, and we also did get Phoenix. We got Gwendolyn, B-Move, and Sequel as their new liquid lipsticks, and I'll be swatching these two highlights. Did also go to Morphe and pick up some new items. Their Jeffree Star collaboration, as well as some eyeliners and lip liners. So I got the brush sets as well as the beauty sponges. So these are the brushes that I got. The heads are so soft. This is a cute little like foundation brush. I like this for concealer personally. Then we have like a good highlighting brush for the creases. This one's good too. That's my kid in the background. I just turned off the light. I like this. And aren't these keychains cute to give? These are gifts to break hearts, not nails. I also got this shirt. This shirt too, like the mug, says nails did, hoops big, wing sharp, mouth smart. And then I got 5 on it t-shirt. And this is a sweatshirt, hoodie. And it has like the praying hands. Love it. Mocha, maca. It like literally says on the back like shake a lot. And in parentheses it's like more than you think. So I feel like it's one of those weights, the ones that you're like shaking. I know, but it's really good because I don't really eat breakfast. But today I did. We went to IHOP's free pancake day. It's, if you like chocolate, get it. If you're a slight chocolate lover, I don't suggest it because it's very, very chocolatey. But hi, how are you guys? I just want to talk to you guys because I went to Mass on Sunday. And currently it is Lent season for us Catholics, and I kind of liked what the priest said. He kind of put it on us, like people who say they're Catholic, and you know, at least try to give thanks. Pray when you can. Pray on your way to work. Pray on your work coming from work. Excuse me. Just praying, giving thanks, being grateful, giving back. That was a big thing. He mentioned giving back. So, for Easter, probably a week before Easter, we're planning to go give little goodie bags or like sandwich, you know, like peanut butter, water, you know, little small toiletries. It's only $1 at the Dollar Tree, small little, like, you know, the mini travel size stuff. So we're gonna try to do that. My son was like, Mom, like we should give back to people that don't have money to buy water, which is a very good point. Granted, I know there's a lot of people that don't need to be asking for money that do, but we don't know their struggles, so definitely something I am looking forward to. Also, have any of you guys bought, I think they're called Wise cameras? I should probably go get one. Hold on. Put you guys down really quick. They're like $25 on Amazon, and honestly, they're the best investment. I just ordered a new one. But that's how they look. They have night vision, 14-day free cloud recording, 8x digital zoom. You can speak through it. It works with Alexa. Shibu! Sorry, my Shih Tzu. It's a 1080 full HD, two-way audio, and motion detection. Sorry, my hair is getting on my nerves. I'm thinking about cutting it, but everyone's like, no. Probably just made a huge lot by doing this, but oh man, my ears. It does have, so anytime it detects sound, so like right now my dog barking is probably gonna go off, and motion, it sends you a notification to your phone if you once you downloaded that. There's no subscription to it. This is not sponsored. Wish it is. Wise can holla at your girl, because I still need like 2 more cameras. But yeah, I like it. I was cracking up because it had kind of a low review on Amazon, so I was looking at why, and people were using them, you can use them indoor, outdoor. Well, the ones that were using it indoor, they would shut it off and it would continue recording. So they didn't like the fact that maybe they felt like that was invasion of the privacy, which I completely understand, but I don't need indoor cameras. I need outdoor cameras because I live on the main street. So I don't care if I push off and it's still recording. That's what I got it for. So for me, it works. But like I said, it's not for everybody. But I liked it because we did have it through my cell phone, like AT&T provider. I don't know what. Yeah, I think it's called just AT&T, and it was really expensive. So it didn't work for us for what it did, and I like these much better. So yeah, I'm trying to think what else. Someone that we know started their channel, and now they quit their job and that's all they do, and they're making really good money. And he was like, "Oh, you were right," and I was like, "Told you so," because we haven't traveled much this year, but we have been very fortunate enough to travel a lot. And I was like, those would have been good vlogs, but our time is when our time is. So also, I still am waiting for my order from HoneyBGold, which I don't know how I'm going to do it because, as you guys can tell, I'm a silver or white gold girl. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but we'll see. Hi guys, so I just received my order from HoneyBGold Accessories. Totally love their hoops. I want to say 5 pairs of hoops. So this is what they call their gold tier hoop. It's a cute teardrop. Just so an all like a everyday hoop. I did also get the skinny heart hoop, which is just a silver. I want to say they're about a 3-inch, 3.5 hoop. Also, they do customize bamboo style hoops, which I'll go into a little further. But this is going to be the jumbo twisty hoop. I got it in a silver. They also have it in gold too. But as you see, I'm more of a silver type of person. So I did get that in silver as well. Super cute. Because you can always dress them up, dress them down. Kind of every day, incorporate them. So now I am going to go into their customized bamboo jumbo hoops. So mine is in Old English and it says Aldrete, which is my last name. Honestly, they look super heavy, but they're the lightest thing ever. They are gold plated. They're so cute. I will compare both. Sorry, I was trying to see if I had put the right one. I was looking for the back piece to see if I put the right one on, which I did. But the next style I got is the custom Slauson bamboo hoops. The font is called Motion, and it does have like the little swirl under the script with the heart. So that's the Old English and that's the Motion. You guys can see it. Yes, they both have my last name. I couldn't think of anything else. I already have my name on my necklace, so I was like, okay, little something different. But these are just so cute. I want some like heart-shaped ones. That would be cute. And they did just come out with these other hoops that I want. But I first want to wear these. Okay. But last but not least, I did also get their Chain Gang Jumbo Hoop. It totally reminds me of the 90s. Like I said, they're lightweight. They're so comfortable. Like, they didn't irritate me or anything. So I still put in a little bit of like clear nail polish just to be on the safe side for me personally. But yeah, definitely love them. Love what they have to offer in their website. They have necklaces and other things. Okay, so now this is how I got my package. So I did cancel this, I want to say 2 weeks ago, and honestly I haven't heard back from them. And then I get this delivered, so I was like, oh, okay. But during Super Bowl, if you guys watched it, you saw Big Boy from Outkast wearing this jacket, and I had to have it. So I went to their website, I purchased it. It was like a pre-order. It did take, well, since Super Bowl, so it's been a little bit over a month. But I was like, okay. But yeah, I got it. It's super comfortable though. Like, the inside is comfortable. You know, I probably just have to wear it with something different. Probably, it's a small, which I thought was a men's small, so I expected it to be like a little looser. If not, I would have got a medium, but it does fit perfect, but I just like it oversized look, so I'm gonna probably have to lose a couple more pounds before it fits better. So, other new things I have got are these 2 new palettes. I'm not sure if this is the new or not, but it's Keep Calm, Sunny's On from Tarte. It does remind me of the Sarai palette, so I'll probably give it away. But this baby right here is the Naked Reloaded. I love the cushiony feel on this palette. It's so, like, cute. The only thing I do miss is them having the brush, which they weren't the best brushes, but, you know. But I'm totally going to play with this new Naked palette here. I'll tell you guys later on. I know I haven't done my makeup a lot in these videos, but I promise I am gonna do it. It's just kind of, you know, how things go. I'm not sure what else you guys would like to see. I have a couple of other videos already just editing and putting up. Oh, before I forget, I did get the Baker Beauty. Oh my goodness, I keep forgetting the name of this brand. I'm so sorry. Beauty Bakery and Versailles lip whip. Maybe it's not you, it's me. I'm in the liquid matte, and I really love this nude. It's like my type of nude. Also, it's so comfortable to wear. It's not matte where it dries out your lips and they're flaking off. They're so comfortable. So yeah, I'll let you guys know any other new reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.